Here I have CAT S40, and today I'm going to show you how to customize a programmable key on this device. So as you can see here, you have like this extra key which can be programmed. Wow. So firstly you have to open settings and then go to the programmable key section, and here you can select different actions which you can perform by tapping on this key. So you can like wake device, notifications, show recent apps, Google, flashlight. You can open different apps. So for example, let's set it to the flashlight. So you have to hold the key to activate it. Or you can set any other app, for example, Chrome. And as you can see, it opens Google Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.